Well, Roomba's going, so I think I should probably get a little snack. Okay, I don't want to eat this boring food. I mean, look at all this food, it's so boring. I want to eat something cool and not fruits and veggies and, stuff like that. So I'm going to go in my mommy's pantry where she has all her food. No crackers, no. I don't know what that is. Coffee, no, I'm too young. Jolly Rancher, ooh, cool, I like Jolly Ranchers. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, it's chocolate. Well, no, we already have chocolate milk. Ooh, cool. Cool, okay, that's like green apple juice. Cool, I like it. Okay, I'm gonna drink this green apple juice. Cool. Ooh, this is gonna be so awesome. I can't wait. Green apple juice. Okay. Okay, when I open the green apple juice, I need a spoon, like a cup to fill it. Okay, so I'm gonna get like a spoon or a cup. Oh yeah, I forgot all spoons and cups right here. No, it'll leak out of that. That's a carrot press. That's pretty cool though. Another plate. I don't know. I think I found something. Cool. Okay. Oh, this consistency of this is weird. Okay. Who even cares? Maybe it's like dried up. Who cares? Maybe it's like dried up. I mean, it's still edible. Yeah, it smells like apples. I mean, it kind of smells like glue. Ew. What kind of juice is this? Ew. Okay. Well, I'm still eating it though. I mean, it's edible. It smells like glue and it feels like slime. I mean, Roomba. Okay, I hope this is still good. Okay, spread it on my spoon. Ew. I hope this is still good. This is yucky looking. Oh. Oh, apple mustache. Yeah, that kind of tasted really yucky. But it kind of tastes like apples, to be quite honest. I mean, it looks like apples, kind of smells like apples. It's dried up apple juice. So, I think it's pretty edible. This is some edible stuff. Maybe it's edible slime. Maybe it's an edible apple slime. Yeah, this might be edible apple slime. I got some. That other apple thing was really good. Time for the next bite. Before she puts it in her mouth. Honey, what are you eating? Honey. No. What in the world? Why are you eating this? Well, I mean, it's just dried up apple juice. No, it is not. This is slime. Oh, it's slime? Yeah. I didn't even know that you put slime in your pantry. Honey, it's slime. This is slime. You can be terribly sick. Is the glue non-toxic? I mean, yeah, or else it wouldn't be in the pantry, so yeah, it's non-toxic, but you're gonna be really sick. But it's non-toxic though. Well, still, it can cause vomiting. So never eat anything from my pantry ever again. I'm sorry, I just didn't know. Okay, never do that ever. Okay, never do anything like that ever again. I'm putting this back in the pantry. Okay, now you... So what? What is this? Marble? Okay. Well, now I know I should not put my slimes in the pantry. Because they will eat them. think then. Kaitlyn, you should ask me before you dig in my stuff. You can't just think anything in the world is food. Like, do you even know what's food and what's not food? I mean, it smells like glue, but it kind of smells like apple too. Okay, well, don't mistake stuff for food, because then you'll look weird and, awful.